Well, welcome into another Cat Country KATcast. We are talking about sounds we can't stand this morning. Stuff that when you hear it, it makes you go, oh!
Yeah.
And I'm going to start with one that I will tell you guys, I think you're probably going to agree. Forks sticking together. Utensils, like when they rub against each other. And it makes my teeth go, oh,
yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So, I mean, are you talking about like a fork on a plate or just two forks?
Occasionally a fork on a plate because it'll scrape just the wrong way.
Yeah.
That'll get me.
But even just like utensils, when they hit, there's a frequency to them or something. I don't know what it is.
I'm with you.
But you know what I'm talking about?
I'm with you. When I do dishes, it's the worst because, like, especially like the silverware. You know, you just kind of like throw it in there,
right.
And like when you open up the thing, because I'm
just
putting them all away.
Right now,
Oh, I know. And like the forks that get intertwined. Oh, like I can't stand like. Ooh, like I get the shivers thinking about it. It's like it's gritty. It's like got like a grittiness to it that I'm just like, ooh, I don't like the noise. I don't like it. It makes me squirm.
Doesn't it just make your teeth rattle?
Oh, is that? Well, speaking of teeth rattle, I was going to say that was mine. Teeth grinding. Now, anyone that has little kids, like when they're growing up,
right.
They do that. When they get their teeth because they've never had them before, and then all of a sudden. Like they'll be sleeping at night, grinding them, drives me nuts. Every single one of my kids did them, and I would be yelling at them in the middle of the night because you could hear it on the monitor too. And I'd be like, "Stop!" I'd be like, "Wake up! Wake up! What are you doing?" He's like, "You were grinding your teeth. We can't be doing that. We cannot be doing that."
Wowza.
It's so.
Well, I mean, they've got the saying for a reason. Nails on chalkboard.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. See, but weirdly, that doesn't bother me that bad.
Really?
Not as much as silverware on a plate.
You are an exception then.
I know. Which
I
is
think most people, that hits the wrong way.
Well, in grade school, I had a teacher that would just use, chalk down to the nubbin, right? So she'd have this teeny tiny piece of chalk, and she'd go to write, and her nails would hit. It was awful.
To me, like, it's not the sound so much of the nails on the chalkboard. It's the thought of how that feels. Like, that's what freaks me out.
There's a physical feeling to it. Yeah,
because like the chalkboard's already like it's chalky, and then there's tension, there's abrasiveness.
Yeah,
there's like that feeling is nasty to me. Think about all that. I mean, because they got to be getting stuff under their fingernails when they're doing that. Ooh, I just don't like it.
Ladies, I know. A lot of you deal with this, although husbands do too, snoring. Okay? Something about, and not all snoring, that's the thing. Some snoring is sort of a quiet, I wouldn't say it's a pleasant sound, but it's not as grating. But when it gets to the, like that, I mean, I've had to nudge my wife a few times, and I never believed that I snored. And she said, well, you snore too. You go, no, I don't. I don't snore. That's your thing. She goes,
that's your thing. Wow.
I told her, I said, I want you to record me one of these days. She goes, I'm not going to record you. I go, come on. Just get your phone out when I'm snoring. I want to hear. She goes, I'm not going to do that. Well, she finally did. Guess what? I snore.
Yeah, big time you do.
I heard it going, oh my gosh. So she has to live with that. So we're both living with it, but we just poke each other and say, hey, you're snoring, and that's all. So.
Yeah, the husband snores, and if he's like really exhausted or really congested, that's when it's really bad. Now, as far as like a pleasant snore, our dog Gemma, like if she hops up on the couch next to me, and we're watching a movie or something, if she starts snoring, that's like my kryptonite.
Oh, dog snores. Yeah, that's another one.
I am out as well.
See, snoring, it depends. Like Kevin said, like a nice snore is not bad to me. It's almost like a sound machine. I can kind of sleep to that.
I don't know how to go that far, but I get what you're saying.
Yeah. When you're like, when you walk in the room and it sounds like you've walked into a lumber yard, like someone's trying to start up a chainsaw, and you're like, okay, I'm not going to sleep in the room tonight. It's not going to happen.
Not going to happen.
Sometimes I remember as a kid, it bothered me so bad. I'd have to, because my dad and my grandpa, everyone would snore around me.
Yeah.
And I would purposefully go to bed like 30 minutes before them, even if I wasn't tired, just because I'm like, if I don't beat them to sleep, I am not sleeping tonight.
You got to fall asleep before that.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah. Another one for me, high-pitched dog barks.
High pitch, okay. Like tiny dogs, like little.
Not necessarily. No, because see, Gemma, she's got lots of different barks that we recognize, but she's really gotten into her high-pitched alarm bark.
Oh, okay.
And it's because we have now a nest of birds that have decided to post up above our door. So she sees the shadow of them as they move or leave the nest or come back to the nest. And it's the same bark that she gives anybody who comes to the front door. It's this high pitch, danger, danger, danger. I mean, it's loud and it's just grating, and you can't get her to stop until you show her. You have to open the door and show her there's nobody there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then she's fine. Then she turns around with her tail up in the air like, I did a good job, but
yeah. My dad used to complain about this a lot when I was growing up because he worked in an office environment his whole life. He was a computer programmer in the early days of computers. And he worked in an office with like a lot of women, secretaries, that kind of thing. And he says, they'll all crack and pop their gums. It was kind of like a cow on its cud.
Yeah, with chewing gum or whatever.
Just chewing in general, chewing food, chewing gum, and especially the sound of, and to me, that never really bothered me. Guess what? As I've gotten older, that does kind of wear on me a little bit now. You know, it's weird.
My wife is that way. Any chewing noise that she can't stand it. Like it'd be funny. I'll be like, when we eat. That's why anytime I'm eating with her, I'm like, you need to eat with me. I'll give her like something. It's like, chew with me because you won't hear me. Okay, if you're crunching on something, I'm crunching on something. You're not hearing me just crunch on something.
Do it together, and then
So I have one that you all know about this. It's Velcro for me.
Oh, that was a good one. When we first heard that,
I cannot stand Velcro. Now, if you're doing Velcro as intended, you're quickly fine, but put Velcro up to your ear and slowly pull it apart. And tell me that doesn't tickle your soul. It's such a like, it's one of those like, sends a shiver up my spine sound.
You would be out of your mind over our house because Hamlet's diapers, my dog Hamlet, he has these belly bands. They're diapers. They go around, the junk and around his waist and everything. So he can't
around his giblets?
Yeah. So he can't pee in the house. But they're all Velcro. So they go when you take them off. And I generally I don't go like that. I have to do it slow. So hang on, dude, hang on.
Oh, well, you can hear like each individual Velcro fiber coming off. You're just like, it's ripping off. That sounds it's so awful. It's just about as bad as like nails on the chalkboard for me. That Velcro is intense.
That's funny.
Oh gosh. Another one for me is a washing machine that kind of, gets uneven.
Oh,
oh my gosh, it's the worst.
It's like your washer's about to like walk away.
Yeah, our house is like 1,300 square feet. I mean, it's not very big at all, but it's like when you hear that, all of a sudden, it's like all of a sudden we have a 3,500 square foot house. It's like I'm running to stop it, and it's like the washing machine and like the washroom just keeps getting further away from me. It's like I can't get
It's like a dream.
Enough.
You're just like,
awful.
The hallway is continuing to grow.
Yeah.
Speaking of washers and dryers, all right, so we have a Samsung washer, a Samsung dryer. And this isn't so much a grating sound. It just kind of gets annoying. When the washer or dryer is done, it plays this little tune. It's like, oh,
it's like you're in an Irish pub.
Okay, I got it. The washer's done. Oh, dryer's done. Okay, got it. Thank you. Make it stop! Like, I get it. You're done. We're going to come get
pleasant.
you. No, it ain't pleasant.
It's not pleasant?
It's not, like I said, it's not grating, but it's just, it goes on so long.
Okay.
For me, it's alarm clocks in the morning. Like, I actually don't like hearing my alarm in the morning so much that I actually wake up about like 5 minutes before my alarm goes off every morning to turn it off so I don't have to hear it. If I get woke up by my alarm, I have failed. I have failed in my mind.
Jordan has the same alert on his phone that wakes me up at 3:45 every morning.
Yeah,
that's the last thing I want to hear, man. I hear it in the morning and that's it. That's what he has as his tone or alert or whatever you want to call it. And that's what it is for me. That's my wake up at 3:45.
My buddy in college, he used to have my roommate, his alarm in the morning. Like, it was this also, like, really annoying thing, but when it would first start, it was almost like a record starting, so it had, like white noise. It was like, but, like, in the morning, dead of sleep, that sounds like someone breathing. And so every morning, we'd wake up to, like a jump scare, basically. You're like, someone's in our room.
We're talking about sounds that just get under our craw and just, unpleasant, annoying, grating, whatever you want to call it,
Cats fighting. That is an awful sound. Oh, have you heard two cats?
Oh, yeah.
It's an awful sound. That happened to me at my buddy's house. We were asleep, dead of night, just got done watching scary movies.
Oh,
It's like 3
Good timing.
a.m. Like 3 a.m. These cats started screeching, fighting, and they knocked over this glass table that shattered right by our heads. Imagine waking up to that, and it's awful.
Well, I had a pair of sisters, that, cats. And,
Her sisters, yes.
And they would always choose to fight around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning without fail.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, why is that such a magical hour? You know what I mean?
Aren't cats kind of nocturnal?
They are nocturnal.
I guess they are because they hunt
yeah.
mice and stuff like that right at night. It
Yeah,
seems like.
my two were always active at night.
We live in the woods and kind of in the woods. We have 3.5 acres behind us that's woods, but I mean, then far beyond that with the neighbors and everything.
Right.
And we've got one neighbor that is constantly firing off his gun. And I mean, just like, it doesn't matter whether it's a Saturday morning or
It's a Thursday.
a Thursday evening. Yeah. I'm like, dude, I get it. You're proud of your gun. Proud 2A here, okay? But I'm saying there are neighbors here, and then you hear the dog go, oh my God, stop it, all right? It's not so much the sound as much
the timing of the sound.
Right, thank you. Yeah, that's exactly right.
Gotcha.
It's like when someone decides to mow at like 8 p.m. You're like, my kids are asleep.
Oh yeah, yeah. Why does your lawn have to be mowed early in the morning like that? Well, that's the best time.
Oh, so you've met my dad. Yeah. Another sound for me is vaping.
Oh yeah.
All of a sudden, it's like, is Darth Vader here?
You're right, because it's like crackling too a little bit because it heats up the oil. It's like
exactly, and all I can think of is what's it doing to your lungs.
I will tell you one that I just get with Aaron almost every time I do this. Like if I'm eating something and that kind of gets stuck in my throat, I'm like, and she goes, oh. I go, no, that's all right. It's back down again.
He'll do it with loogies too. Do not let him try to sugarcoat this and make it nicer than it really is.
It's like a blast from the past. It's like when I used to wake up in the morning. My dad and my grandpa used to do that. Every time they wake up in the morning, they clear their sinuses. So like, it'd be the only one to wake in the morning, 6 a.m., and you'd just be hearing.
Oh,
and you're like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I am sleeping. I don't want to hear up the mucus.
No.
Way to start the day, man.
Yeah, that's a hard pass.
But yeah, when I do that, Aaron's like, oh.
Yeah.
And then I tell him.
Because I always have my headphones on.
Yeah, so it's
and
amplified.
he does it right in the mic.
Yeah.
And I'm like, ah.
Even worse when you actually get something, you hear it, you're like, oh, I heard that come out of your throat.
Well, then I tell her, she goes, oh, I go, no, it's all right. It went back down now. She goes, oh.
Yeah, because loogies, snot, you're supposed to get out of your system, not chew it, enjoy it, and put it back down.
But even food, it comes up again, then it's like right back down. I go, the return trip.
Oh, the acid reflex? Oh, that's the worst. It tastes awful. You're
That's
like,
true.
ooh.
One day, God's going to welcome me and be like, I'm sorry, Aaron. I'm sorry Kevin chewed his loogies.
Unfortunately, he's one of mine, so I have to let him in, too.
I'll be like, we're not rooming together.
What do they say? God tests the strongest warriors, Aaron.
Oh, my God.
Sorry. Oh, I almost felt another one coming up there.
No. We don't need to share.
We're talking about sounds that just drive us up the wall. You guys have any more? What's a favorite of yours? Either one of you.
A favorite sound?
Favorite? No, not a favorite.
Oh.
I meant on your top list of awful sounds. That's what I mean.
That pretty much covered mine.
Yeah.
For the most,
And then you even threw in another one of mine that I wasn't going to bring up.
There you go.
So I do have one more. I think one more that absolutely just annoys the crap out of me is like an annoying fan, not like a fan that's noisy. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Like a ceiling fan that's like making noise that it shouldn't be making.
Yeah.
Like it's like off kilter or whatever. And just like, I love fan noises. I don't like noises that keep me awake at night. And so like that just like or like this a really squeaky heist, like a all night or like something's clicking. I'm like, I don't like that.
We stayed at an Airbnb in New Orleans, this last time before our cruise. and our ceiling fan in the bedroom was like that. Like I would look up and this thing was like, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom. But it was off just enough to where, the pull chain for the light, it was like swinging like real far up to where it would hit the light.
And that's what it was
and
doing.
I'm like, what if it hits up in the blade?
Yeah.
What's going to happen then? And then there was a couple of times I'd look up and be like, well, this is it. This is how I go. It's going to be that fan. Just
see, and sometimes you can, if you like changing the speed, so like maybe not full blast, but like one underneath changes the noise.
Right.
So sometimes it'll make it go away, but on the times where it's just clicking constantly, I'm like, I can't do this.
Oh no, we were having a full blast because like right outside our bedroom, there was like a big window, and there was the sidewalk. And all we could smell was people enjoying their weed.
Oh, of course.
And
okay.
Because we tried the first night for 30 minutes to not turn on the fan because it was doing that. And I was like, no, I can't.
I got to.
I just can't. Yeah.
Although I will tell you, I've never smoked weed my entire life, but I don't dislike the smell. Isn't that
Ugh.
interesting?
Yeah, it's just,
I've never,
Well, that's like, it's weird.
I've been at concerts where I smell it. It's not unpleasant.
I've heard it's same like skunks. Like some people skunk smell people hate. Other people don't mind.
Do you
the
enjoy
smell.
skunks, Hilly?
No, I do not.
But here's what's weird. Skunks don't bother me as much as it bothers. Like some people are like, oh, it's awful.
Oh, my
and
mom
I'm just like,
don't
it's
like
a
it.
skunk.
My
It's
mom
not
will
that
drive
bad.
through like a fog or something, and she'll be like, "Oh, it's in my mouth.
Maybe
it's in my mouth."
Maybe I've smelled too many like dead, rotting animals, and I'm just like, a skunk ain't no problem.
Well, people always panic about manure, and I'm kind of like,
Yeah,
what's
you
the big
grew
deal?
up with
But
it, though,
yeah.
see?
I grew up around cows as well. I'm like, there was cow pies outside my house all the time.
Yeah.
I was a city boy, a suburban boy, so I never, I have another
He calls
sound for you.
cows moo-moo faces.
Yeah, moo-moo faces. Whenever we pass, moo-moo faces. I got another sound for you, because on watching TV or movies, most of the time TV, and there's like a fight scene or somebody's going to kill somebody.
Yeah.
It says, like you hear, like when somebody takes their head and go,
like the crunch.
and the crunch of the bones. And what makes it worse is we always have closed captioning on, so it says bones crunching. I'm like, oh! So I'll try to
it's
sit there.
somebody's getting their neck broken.
Right, or
Okay.
just whatever,
Yeah.
But I'll sit there and try to anticipate it. I'll go,
oh, yeah.
and even my wife, she'll go, tell me when that's over. I can't watch.
The
Something
very
about
next day, you visit your chiropractor.
bones
and then you're like on
crunching.
high alert.
That's how you know the Foley artist did their job, baby.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Which, by the way, if you don't know about movies, they do that. They add like
Foley
sound
artist
effects.
is-
So what
they
that
get the recording of the real thing.
what that probably was them like crunching celery or something, but to like mimic a bone breaking. So they'll be like, or like slowly.
You amplify anything or record it close enough, it's going to sound like what you're talking about.
100%, 100%.
We'd love to hear from you. What sounds make you crazy? And please don't say the KATcast, okay? Because
Yeah.
Come on, we just set you up for
we
that
really
one.
take a lot of pride in this. So, but let us know. Shoot us an email, catcountry@mailzimmer.com. I wish we had a way to put that. See, we're using a different program here, so I don't know how we can put that. We're gonna have to set that up.
We are gonna have to set that
so we
up.
can put the words on the screen. Everybody's,
Or we'll just have to put it in the comments.
yeah, well, we could do that too. But
We can always do this though. We can at least do this.
Cat K-A-T
Like and subscribe.
country at mailzimmer.com. Yes, there's the subscribe button. And we'd love to have you comment on anything here. If you got another topic you want us to talk about
Well,
too.
let's talk about this for a second. Look how pale you two look. I look like I just came from vacation. I look
know.
fabulous.
I think it's the way that the lights are pointed in
I
here
like
right
to
now.
say I am the whitest man in America. So,
I look like I just came back
In every
from like
sense.
You do.
Jamaica or
you
something.
do have a nice bronze to you.
I do.
I'm very pasty looking
Wow.
she
today.
was just in Greece.
No. I would like to say I was, but no.
Just got off the boat of Cabo. Looking fantastic.
We appreciate you tuning in this latest edition of the Cat Country KATcast.
Goodbye.